Okay. Good afternoon, lovely people of Africa, Cameroon. Today we are in Manfay at the 50th anniversary of the Youth Day. As you can see, students already preparing to march and they are very ready to show the population how they are happy to celebrate the 50th anniversary. And Africa World News is here today to get the full coverage of how the youth of Manfay are celebrating the 50th anniversary. So we would like to talk with a few of the students to get how happy they are to celebrate the 50th anniversary. So my dear, Africa World News is here to ask you how you are willing, you are happy to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Youth Day in Cameroon. So how happy are you? Okay, that's nice. I think these are the senior students of QROC. We are here standing at the line of the QROC, Queen of the Rosary College, a very good and famous girls' college. And we are standing here with the smart prefect. So the smart prefect, can you tell us how your school is prepared and ready to celebrate? Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for joining us, and we pray we'll give you more details on